The Happy arrives fully assembled. Just remove it from the box. You need to clean the reservoir. The floating magnet detects whether there's enough water in the reservoir. The service disc is in the side. One click is cleaning, 5-second click descaling. Run the cleaning cycle first time 3 times. Here are the instructions. Pause if you really need to read these hieroglyphics. Here's the spill tray dismantled for cleaning. Here's the machine from the front. Here's all its operating bits. Here's the start button and the 2 LEDs. This is the top, the pod holder. This is the pod holder removed. Just pull it out for cleaning. Here are the 3 elements, important elements. Here's a description of the 3 elements. We've now put a disc in, T-disc in upside down. This is the warning not to open the lid when the light is flashing. So this is the first time used. We clean the reservoir, just replacing the reservoir. So here's the service disc, T-disc they call it. Remember, it's the barcode there that's got the instructions on what the coffee machine's got to do to go into service mode. Okay, so I've got the T-disc in. I've filled the reservoir, water reservoir to maximum. I've got a container that's easily big enough to take all the water, no matter how long the cycle takes. Don't want that spilling all over the floor. The orange LED is on. So I just need to click it once. And it's now going into cleaning cycle. You're supposed to do this, run this through 3 times with a brand new machine. Make sure it's removed any residue of the fabrication and stop you having nasty tasting coffee. And so now putting the coffee capsule in, upside down. There's the barcode there that tells the coffee machine which program to run, how much water to run through. It's very simple, really. Close the lid. Just click the button once. It's now going off into a cycle to add the coffee. These coffee machines have no memory. It doesn't know that you've already put the milk in. It doesn't care. It doesn't check either whether or not the cartridge has been used. It doesn't know whether or not it's been used. So that's made a cappuccino. You're advised not to stop the cycle until the orange LED on the side there stops flashing. So let's watch that. Still flashing. There's a big label on the top. There, it stopped. We can now drink my cappuccino.